Passive income ideas that can make you rich in 2025. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Passive income is the key to financial freedom, and in 2025, there are more ways than ever to make money without working 24/7. In this video, we're revealing the best passive income ideas that can make you rich in 2025. Like, subscribe, and let's get started. 1. Print and demand business. Ditch the inventory. Let companies print and ship your products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Example, platforms like Redbubble. You just upload a design, and every time someone buys, you get paid. It's like running a clothing brand without ever touching a t-shirt. 2. Selling digital products. Why sell physical products when you can sell digital ones with zero shipping costs? Example, create and sell eBooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, or even Notion planners. Once it's made, it keeps selling forever. 3. YouTube automation channels. No, you don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Automated channels use stock footage, AI voiceovers, and scripts to create content. Example, top 10 videos, history, facts, or finance tips can bring in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. YouTube pays big money, and once a video is up, it earns forever. 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending products. Just share a link, and if someone buys, you get paid. Example, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale lets you earn without creating your own products. Start a blog, Instagram page, or TikTok, and let the links do the work. 5. Investing in dividend stocks. Want money without working at all? Dividend stocks pay you just for owning shares. Example, companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and McDonald's send out quarterly checks just for being an investor. It's like getting paid rent from a business you don't even run. 6. Renting out property. Real estate is one of the best passive income sources. Even if you don't own property, you can rent out extra space. Example, Airbnb lets you make money from an unused room or even a storage space. No extra work, just extra cash. 7. Crypto staking and yield farming. If you own crypto, you can stake it and earn passive income like earning interest on a savings account, but way better. Example, platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken let you stake coins and earn rewards daily. 8. Automated dropshipping stores. Want an online store with zero inventory? Dropshipping lets you sell without stocking products. Example, you list items on a website, and when someone buys, a supplier ships it directly to them. You keep the profit without handling a single package. 9. Writing and monetizing an ebook. Self-publishing is easier than ever. If you have knowledge on any topic, write an ebook and sell it on Amazon, Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. Example, some authors make thousands per month from just one book. Write it once, and it sells forever. 10. Creating an app or SaaS. Business apps and software generate income even while you sleep. Example, create an app, subscription-based software, or even a simple productivity tool. If it solves a problem, people will pay for it. Don't know how to code? Hire a developer from Fiverr or Upwork and turn your idea into reality. Final thoughts. Start now. Get paid forever. The best thing about passive income is that it's not tied to your time. You put in the effort once, and it keeps making money. Which of these ideas are you going to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more money-making secrets, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.